press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
The new Lux 3-axis stabilizer will revolutionize the way you film anything. So, who are we? Well, like you, we're creators. We bike, we board, we barrel down streets at high speed. And we understand the importance of being able to film everything exactly how you envisioned it. As creators ourselves, we understand the frustration of deciding what to film and what not to film in hopes of saving battery life. This is why Lux line of gimbals comes standard with 8-hour battery life, allowing you to film everything. Lux has 3 servo motors built into the gimbals. These motors play a key part in reducing camera shake and motion blur. Lux is proud to announce that we have 10 years of servo motor manufacturing experience, producing a product like no other. You truly won't believe how luxuriously smooth these motor movements are. Unique to the Lux line of gimbals is its body. It's actually made from a 6061 aluminum. There isn't a single piece of plastic on this device, making it durable enough to follow you on any adventure. Now, new for 2017, we're happy to release our 2 models, the Pro Lux and the Luma handheld stabilizer. The Pro Lux was specifically designed for the GoPro Hero line of action cameras. Now, the Luma handheld stabilizer caters to cell phones with 5.8 inches in diameter. Now, that's large enough for Apple's iPhone 7 and Samsung's new Galaxy S8. Now, this project has been a year in the making, and we are so close to achieving our goal, but we need your help. Your support will help us launch this product into the masses for all creators alike. So whether you're an upcoming YouTuber or you're looking for a product that just captures those special moments, we invite you to purchase the new Lux line of handheld stabilizers at an incredible introductory price. And remember, film it all.
Hey, I'm Hao, founder of Taro. When you want to capture your own stunning moments, auto tracking is critical. However, after trying out all the tracking stabilizers on the market, we found out there's a lot of room for improvement. It is too easy to lose sight of the target when the object is shaded or simply moving fast. That's where Taro comes in. Taro is an auto-tracking device you can truly count on that'll always keep you in the frame.
All you need to do is put on the infrared tag and leave the rest to Taro. Our tracking camera will instantly identify where the object is, and our AI algorithm will pinpoint it exactly at a blazing 30 calculations per second. That's 15 times faster than our competitor. Now, with Taro, you can track objects moving as fast as 50 miles per hour. With Taro's zero-lagging tracking feature, your object will be constantly locked in, even during very sharp turns. Taro's dynamic tracking works perfectly, even when you yourself are also moving fast, because it sees and captures fast-moving moments so smoothly, you won't even need to look at the screen. With 3 high-torque brushless motors counteracting camera shake, video jitters are now a thing of the past. And with our app, breathtaking action sequences, pictures, and videos are just a single click away. As a group of AI software engineers, we've poured our heart and soul into getting our prototypes just right. We are now so excited to be releasing not just 1, but 3 devices. Taro T1 for smartphones and GoPros, Taro TX for DSLR cameras, and Taro M1, a separate tracking module that's compatible with all stabilizers. Whether you're a vlogger, sports freak, animal lover, or whatever, now, at last, you can put yourself in the frame and confidently capture every moment that matters.
Whether you already have a stabilizer or perhaps looking to buy a new one, The Taro bring your shooting experience to a whole new level. Back us today and share your story to the world.
More than a year ago, we had an idea. What if you could create beautiful and engaging videos without expensive gear? That idea became Gimbal S. Attach it to any smartphone to transform shaky footage into smooth and dynamic shots. We designed Gimbal S so that anyone can use it, but with the features that even professionals can appreciate, giving everyone the power to create and express themselves like never before. Gimbal S puts controls at your fingertips that let you change your video's exposure, zoom, focus, and white balance, all without touching your phone, so you can get your shot just right. Take an everyday moment and record it with beautiful cinematic quality. Then edit and share it with just one tap. Live streaming mode makes it easier to record with the world watching. Let Gimbal S be your personal cameraman with face tracking that automatically follows your movement. Take the best photos you've ever shot with your smartphone using Gimbal's automated panorama, or make epic time lapses effortlessly. We've teamed up with one of the best gimbal manufacturers, Feiyu Tech, to ensure the highest quality possible. Now we need your support to begin production of Gimbal S and start shipping. Join our campaign to help us get Gimbal S in the hands of creators everywhere.
Are you still shooting unsteady videos with your phone? Capture smooth and steady cinematic videos at a breeze with ReGiet. Simply slide in your phone or GoPro and turn it on, and all the creation is at your fingertips. For many stabilizers, it is impossible to record videos using the underslung position without rotating to portrait mode. ReGiet is the only stabilizer that can continue to record the video in this position. With its easy-to-use control panel, you can easily switch between photos and video mode, front and rear camera, and zoom in and out. ReGiet can also charge your phone, or even better, plug a power bank so you can charge ReGiet and your phone simultaneously, so that you can use our app to live stream all day. Within the ReGiet app, we've built an auto track function. Simply drag any object on the screen and ReGiet will take over. Create amazing slow motion and time-lapse videos. Shoot amazing panorama photos with ReGiet. With a total of 3 different panorama modes, you can even shoot better photos than any other stabilizer you had. ReGiet is the most advanced stabilizer to capture your life.
Using a smartphone to capture special moments and share them in social network has become a modern lifestyle. However, shooting videos with your smartphone during movement is never easy. The footages are always shaky and blurry. Therefore, Gimbal Stabilizer was invented to solve this problem. At Snopa, we're always looking for new solutions to create a really powerful and convenient filming device. After 12 months of hard work, we're proud to introduce the Atom. Atom comes with Snopa's unique non-orthogonal structure, which prevents the side motor from blocking the phone. The unique arm structure allows Atom to be folded into the size of your palm. You can keep it in your bag or even in your pocket. Mounting the phone on Atom is extremely fast. Put your phone in the middle of the holder, just like the way you would on a selfie stick. Atom weighs only 440 grams, so your arms won't be tired after long hours of shooting. Atom is lightweight but strong enough to support up to 310 grams, which is the best in its class. This allows you to attach a high-quality but heavy lens to drastically improve the filming experience. To flip the orientation, just assign the movement to a button or flip it manually with your hands. Atom is the first gimbal to enable filming and charging at the same time. With Atom, you can even charge your phone wirelessly or use the provided cable to charge without messy fiddling. Atom is the first to include a mic jack inside the gimbal body, which allows people to connect an external high-quality microphone. We've designed a set of control buttons that better meet different filming requirements. The four-way joystick allows you to manually control the camera movement. The shutter button controls the start and stop recording and taking photos. The menu button allows you to call up the pop-up menu in the app. The customizable buttons on the left and the back allow you to assign the functions by yourself. The slide button can be used to control zoom or focus. With the Atom app, people can get more control over their shooting methods. You can use the joystick to select among various photo modes and video modes. In the gimbal setting panel, you can freely assign preferred functions to the customized button just the way you like it. In addition to smartphones, the Atom also supports action cameras like GoPro Hero series. With Atom, we want everyone to be able to get the smoothest mobile filming experience, so you can capture all your memorable moments with just the touch of a button.